In this video, we will show you how to add and edit the divider component. The divider component creates a horizontal dividing line and can be used to separate content on a page. To add a divider, click the Add option button and then click the divider component. Above each divider is a divider bar. Click on this bar to change the divider settings. The colour button will let you change the colour of the divider. You can choose from your website's colour palette, and you can add more colours to this by using the colour management panel. The style field will let you change the style of divider. You can choose from a solid line, a dashed line, or a dotted line. Finally, you can choose the width of the divider in pixels. Simply drag the slider to your chosen width. Click OK to apply the changes.